Hello and welcome. In this lesson, we'll briefly go over how to make selections on Excel, how to select cell, how to select a part of the Excel sheet, how to select column, how to select rows. All right. Once you click on the Excel sheet, you have selected this particular cell. What if I want to select from A to F and then to row 10? All I will do is to hold down the left key. You hold down the left key and then drag over the area you want selected. All right. You can also select different cells that are not lying beside each other. How do you do that? You hold down the control key and then click on the cell that you want selected. So like that. You would notice that it is selecting the cells without cancelling the ones that you selected previously. Unlike if you select here and you are not holding down the control key and you select another cell, it will just move completely away. Now, what if you want a column selected? You select a column by clicking on the letter. It will select the entire column. All right? And if you want to select several columns that are lying beside one another, you can do that just like we did earlier. And then take it for as long as you want it to go down, the several columns. So the drag system would only work if the column is lying beside each other or beside one another. What if you want to highlight or you want to select columns that are not lying beside one another? So what you can do is to click on select a column, hold down the control key, then select other columns that may be of interest to you. Like that. I hope you are practicing as we are doing this. So this is selecting columns that are not lying beside one another. You can do the same for rows. You can select a row by clicking on the number and then hold down the control key and then select whichever row that you want. All right. There's another way you can select the entire worksheet. You can, if you do Control A, is a shortcut, Control A. It will select all the worksheets. All right, like that, using your keyboard shortcuts. You hold down the control key and press A. It will select the entire worksheet. All right. There's another way you can select the entire worksheet. If you look at this rectangle here, the triangle here. If you look at the triangle here, this triangle that is lying between A and 1, column A and the first row. So if you look at that, if you click on that triangle, it will select the entire worksheet. So these are various ways by which you can define and select range of cells in Excel. I will see you in the next lesson.